Hi, are you a planner? Well, I've got something you're gonna love. My name is Terry and I'm from Techni Tuesday, and I'm excited to show you some of our new planner stickers. We recently introduced these new planner stickers. These stickers are matte finish and can be written on and come in a variety of designs. We have cute critters, adorable owls, adorable llamas, as well as some other fun critters. As we also have some fun everyday items, coffee cups, more coffee cups, and donuts and cookies, and then some general food, tacos, pizza, and other fun things. These stickers are sized so that you have small stickers, medium stickers, and large stickers. The reason we did that is we want you to be able to use these stickers in a variety of different planners, whether you plan with a large planner or you plan with a small planner. There's a sticker that you can use. Also, if you're a non-traditional planner, you may use a bullet journal to plan in. For those of you that are new to planning, a bullet journal is basically a blank notebook, and then you design your planner pages yourself. So I've created a planner page here by drawing some lines and then stamping a few words and images. Those were all stamped with stamps from Techni Tuesday. And then also adding some of our planner stickers. I think those planner stickers just add a nice little pop of color to this page, which was pretty boring before I added them. The other fun thing about our planner stickers is each of our images has a mat around the image. So you'll see a nice little white frame around it. So here is one of the foxes from our foxes sticker sheet, and I'm just gonna add it to this planner page here. So that's pretty cute. And now I'm gonna just take one other fox and add it right next to it. Super cute and super fun way to personalize your planner. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this Techni Tuesday video. Be sure to swing by our website to see all of our stickers as well as our planner stamps. Thanks for tuning in today.